everyone, my name is Jesse. I am 6 years old. Today I'm going to present a poem. The title is That Cat Went on a Fishing Trip. A kitten and a cat went on a fishing trip. While fishing, kitten saw a dragonfly and chased it. She came back without a dragonfly. After a while, a kitten saw a butterfly and chased it. He came back without a dragonfly. A kitten was sad. Meanwhile, a cat caught a big fish. He asked the kitten, if you sit down and focus your fishing, I'm sure you can catch a fish too. The kitten listened, focused on his fishing. Soon he caught a fish too. Moral of the story is, if you focus, you can do well. Thank you.